All right, you guys, welcome to the last quick condo tour of the day. We started off in the box. We went to Summerlin with our last tour, and now we are here at Mountain's Edge. This is the front door. I wanted to give you the entranceway from the garage so you can see how close the attached garage is. Now, we're headed up this long, beautiful flight of stairs. You can see the brand new tile flooring they've put in throughout the place. Completely refurbished, renovated, renewed, and bang. Take a deep breath, y'all. Wow. Wow. I know these are supposed to be quick tours, but no, I might want to do a full tour of this. This might deserve more than the quick tour.
This is turnkey. I don't have to do a damn thing here.
No.
You like the car driving up under your
But,
bed?
you know what? This is not porcelain, this is wood. What they did was they put that porcelain in the back bathroom. That's where the porcelain is, right back here.
Goodness me.
You're never in my way. You're part of the show.
Oh.
This is beyond turnkey. New ceiling fixtures, new blinds, new carpet. Wow. No. Heck no.
This will be off the market very fast.
Yes. Look at this bathroom. Holy crap. This is a condo, you guys. This is a turnkey, brand new, modern condo. Look at this view from this side. This is crazy.
Yeah, look at what they did to the fireplace, dude. This is absolutely...
I typically like to let the quick tours be 2 minutes, but this is, yeah, this is,
This is gorgeous.
yeah, it is. It's open, it's bright, color, the backsplash, unique walls. Yeah, this is great. Look at this kitchen. One last flex on the kitchen. Get back in there, Michelle. You're active in the kitchen, right? This is great. Our issue is there's too many good properties.